Hello Brent, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful Glastron boat. It's 2014, very low hours, and the price is $17,999 plus HST and license. The boat is pretty much new, haven't been hardly used, and it's available. Comes with included the trailer with a nice wheels. It looks nice, and also comes with a Yamaha 4-stroke 60 horsepower, and also it comes with the front cover and the whole cover. The boat is available. If you have more questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.